Here's how to delete business profile on Google Maps. There are several ways you can do this. The first method is to open an internet browser and search for your business by name. Make sure you enter the business name exactly as it appears on Google Maps. Your business profile should appear directly in the search results. Once you've opened your business profile, select Edit Profile. First, we'll remove the business location from the listing. Scroll down to the business location section and click the pencil icon. Turn off the option that allows customers to see your business address, then click Save. You may see a message asking you to provide a way for customers to contact your business. If this happens, you may need to enter a phone number or website before you can save the changes. After completing this step, the address should no longer appear on your Google Maps listing. To permanently remove the business profile, close the current window and click the three-dot menu. Then select Business Profile Settings. Choose Remove Business Profile. Next, select Remove Profile, Content, and Managers. Once here, click Continue at the bottom of the page. There's another way to access your business profile. Open a web browser and search for Google Business. Select the official Google Business website from the search results and click Sign In. Log in using the Google account connected to your business, and you'll be taken to your business profile dashboard. Here, select your business if you have many business profiles. From here, you can follow the same steps I showed earlier to remove your business profile. You can also report a business listing directly through Google Maps. Search for your business name and locate the listing you want to remove. Then click on these three dots and select Suggest and Edit. Choose the option that indicates the place is closed or not here. You can then select Doesn't Exist Here and submit the report to Google. Google will review the information and determine whether the listing should be removed. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.